folks, OG here. What I do on this channel is I do live stream art, and then I turn around and take those live streams and turn them into speed paints, so you can watch either version of it that you choose. Most of the speed paints I have out there, if you'll go and look on my live stream section, you can find the full length video if you would like kind of a walkthrough through what I'm doing. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, comment. If you really like it, maybe think about subscribing. It would help me out. Channel keeps growing. I appreciate everybody that comes by. My laptop did crash out on me right at the end of this live stream, so I didn't get to properly say goodbye to everybody and thank them for coming by, so I'm doing it now. Thank all you guys for coming by and hanging out with me. It was really cool. This one's a little island painting, and I hope you enjoy it. Remember, OG San's got your back. Till the next video, OG San out.